They tried to shake you. They tried to rattle your peace, but you didn't flinch. You didn't fold. You learned to act as if nothing bothers you, because that's what power looks like. Not noise, not drama, just pure focus, calm in the chaos, fire behind the eyes. While they react, you build. While they chase applause, you stack victories. You don't beg the world to understand you. You become the kind of person the world can't ignore. So the next time life throws the storm, don't move, don't blink, don't break. Just breathe. And remember, you are the storm. You are the peace. You are the fire that won't die.